Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry car key battery. Start by confirming you have a CR2032 battery and the correct key fob model. Remove the emergency key, pry the fob halves gently with a flat tool, and note battery orientation. Replace the old battery with the new CR2032, ensuring the positive side faces up. Reassemble the fob, test the buttons, and reprogram. To open the fob, first slide out the emergency metal key and set it aside. Insert a flathead or plastic pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves. Work your way around the edge to release all clips without cracking the plastic. Keep track of any small springs or pads and note how the battery sits. This careful approach prevents damage and makes reassembly straightforward and stress-free. With the fob open, observe the old battery orientation and gently lift it free using plastic tweezers or a fingernail. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the same orientation, ensuring it sits securely in the holder. Inspect rubber pads and contacts for wear, then align the fob halves and press them together until clips engage. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm a successful battery replacement and proper signal strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.